On this occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, I want to give you a very important message. Dear friends, words have power to both destroy and heal. If words are both kind and true, then it can change your belief system, your worldview, and your entire world. The spoken words have power to make you and to break you. I'll give you the example. In this difficult time of the COVID-19 crisis, large number of patients are coming to our institute with corona anxiety, panic, insomnia and depression. They are worried because they feel that they may become corona positive. I tell them, dear friends, getting infected by corona does not mean end of life. The death rate of corona is 2 to 4%. The death rate of India per year is 10 million people. And in our country, only 14,000 have died because of corona in last 4 months. You need to be cautious but not anxious because of COVID-19 crisis. So spoken words have power to heal. I'll give you another example. On the other day, I was passing through waiting room of my hospital. I had seen a child jumping and I said, hey, what are you doing? You are spoiling my chair. You are a grown-up child. Why? How can you do like this? She continued. I thought I have scolded her and now she will not do it again. But on the next day, once again when I was passing, she was doing the things. I said, hey. No, but I changed my approach. I said, my dear child, listen. You are a grown-up child. You are a responsible child. You should not do like this. You are a very good girl. On the next day, when I was passing through, she was sitting very quietly because the spoken word have power. And my kind and true words touched her. Now I will give you a real life example. Somel. He was admitted twice for his habit of drug abuse. Somel started smoking and then illicit drug abuse because his father used to scold him and tell him that you are nowhere, you are not worthy father, worthy son, you have to prove yourself. Somel told me that every time I tried my level best to prove that I am a good son and my father is proud of me. But he never praised me, so I went on increasing the abuse of the illicit drugs, and Somel ended up into a very heavy drug abuser. At the time of the discharge, I told Somel's father that give some time, speak some good words and appreciate your son. He will not be addicted again. One year later, I received a phone call. Doctor, rush urgently. Somal has taken heavy dose of drug and he's serious. He's admitted in ICU. He wants to talk to you. I rushed to the hospital and the story was like this. Somal worked hard for that entire year and got a rank in graduation. The desperate Somal, craving for appreciation of the father, called up his father to break the news that Dad, I got the first rank. And the dad said, sorry my boy, I'm too busy. Talk to me afterwards. And at the same time, Somal thought, Somal wanted to hear, I'm proud of you, my son. But in place of that, he had to hear the voice of his father. I've no time, my son, talk to me later. And on that day, Somal took heavy dose of drug. I went to the ICU and watched Somal taking his last breath. My dear friends, the spoken words have power to destroy and to heal. Words have power, your words will have more power. Use it cautiously, then your near and dear ones will not fall prey to any addiction. Say no to drugs. Say, I love you, I'm proud of you, my child. Thank you.